afternoon everybody. We are going towards the lac operon. First of all, what is the meaning of operon? Operon means the cluster of genes which are related to the same function. You know that a single gene is related to the same function. Single gene governs the single character. But in case of operon, the many genes govern the single character, or it governs a single function. They are related to the same function. Then it is called as the operon. So the cluster of gene is called the operon. What is the main structure of operon? Here, this is the structure of operon. A, Y, Z are the genes. They are related to the same function, and this is called the structural gene. A gene, Y gene, and the Z gene. Z gene secrete the enzyme beta galactosidase. Y gene secrete the enzyme permease enzyme, and which is necessary to enter into that cell. The beta galactosidase, it is necessary for digestion of lactic acid, and the Y gene is A gene, it secretes the acetyl CoA. So that CoA group is translocated, or it is transferred into the beta galactosidase for the easy digestion of that lactic acid. So these are the three structural genes which are related to the same function. The same function is digestion of lactic acid. So the digestion, for the digestion of lactic acid, A, Y, Z genes are necessary, and that's why here this is called as the operon gene or the operon. The many genes, they are related to the same function. Which function is here? To digest the lactic acid. The lactic acid which is present in the milk, it is digested by these genes which are secreted, or the enzymes which are secreted by that gene. So this is called the operon. Then here the operator is present. This operator, it operates the synthesis of polymerase enzyme, RNA polymerase enzyme. Then the P is the promoter. Promoter is nothing but a signal sequence of the DNA which gives signal for the synthesis of enzyme, polymerase enzyme. Then after that, here the I gene is present. This I gene is called the regulator gene. It regulates, regulator gene is regulated, or it regulates the protein synthesis. And then here the P gene, P is present. So the I gene, P is the promoter. I gene, it regulates, that is, it produces the repressor messenger RNA, and repressor messenger RNA produces the repressor protein. This repressor protein, it blocks the operator. So this is the simple structure of operon or the lac operon. Now, what is the mechanism of that lac operon? What is the mechanism of that lac operon? In lac operon, when the Escherichia coli bacteria, you know that the Escherichia coli bacteria, whenever kept in two different medium, when it kept in a medium, or it kept in a sucrose, it is as a food material. When it is kept in a sucrose, as well as the Escherichia coli, when it kept in a milk. So for the digestion of sucrose, the enzymes are not necessary. But the digestion of lactic acid, whenever we kept that Escherichia coli in a milk, it requires the enzymes for the digestion of lactic acid which is present in the milk. So the enzymes, whenever the enzymes are required, it secretes the enzyme. But whenever the enzymes are not required, here it get, or the protein synthesis is stopped. That is the regulation of protein synthesis at the level of messenger RNA, or at the level of translation of the translocation. So this regulation, in this case, this regulation, it has been done at the level of synthesis of messenger RNA. What happens here? When the Escherichia coli is kept in the sucrose, that is the food material, it is provided with the help of that sucrose. The sucrose do not contain the lactic acid, you know that. That means here the enzymes are not necessary. Which enzymes? That is the Z gene which secreted the beta galactosidase, Y gene which secreted the Now, which one that? Permease enzyme. A gene secreted by the trans-acetyl-CoA enzyme. These enzymes are not necessary. That's why what happened, whenever such Escherichia coli kept in the sucrose medium, then the regulator gene it produces the repressor messenger RNA. Then this repressor messenger RNA it synthesizes the repressor protein. As here the enzymes are not necessary, the repressor protein it blocks the operator. It blocks the operator. That's why signal is not given to synthesize the messenger RNA. That's why here the no messenger RNAs are synthesized. That is it prevents the synthesis of messenger RNA. As here the messenger RNA is not synthesized, the enzymes are not synthesized. That means here the protein synthesis is regulated at the level of messenger RNA or at a transcriptional level. What is the meaning of transcription? Synthesis of messenger RNA from DNA. This is the DNA. From that DNA synthesis messenger RNA is synthesized. But here this messenger RNA synthesis of messenger RNA is prevented. It is stopped. It is regulated. So at a transcriptional level means synthesis of messenger RNA. At a transcriptional level, the synthesis of protein is regulated. Yes, this is the first case. Then what happens in the second case? Look at this. What happened in the second case in a lac operon in presence of inducer? When E. coli it is kept in the lactic acid. It is kept in a milk which contain a lactic acid. So for the digestion of that lactic acid, E. coli it has necessary or there is a necessity of enzymes for the digestion of that lactic acid. That's why beta galactosidase permease enzyme and the trans-acetyl-CoA it is necessary for the digestion of that milk, digestion of lactic acid. Okay. Then what happens? You know the structure: A gene, Y gene, Z gene. These are the structural genes. Then here the P is the promoter, I is the regulator gene which produces the repressor RNA. Then repressor RNA produces the repressor protein, and then here the promoter is present. Okay. Then what happens here? When Escherichia coli is kept in the media which contain the lactic acid, that is which it kept in the milk. For the digestion of lactic acid, these enzymes are necessary. Beta galactosidase enzyme, permease enzyme, trans-acetylase enzyme, it is necessary. So what happened? Naturally, regulator gene produces the repressor RNA. Repressor RNA, it is translated and translocated into the protein. The protein is called as the repressor protein. What is the function of that repressor protein? Whenever there is no necessity, this repressor protein it blocks the operator. But what happens here? This repressor protein, what happens here? The enzymes are necessary. The messenger RNA should be produced here for the synthesis of enzymes for the digestion of that lactic acid. That's why here already in that lactic acid it contains the permease, it enters into that cell, bacterial cell, and it acts as an inducer. The permease enzyme which is present in the milk, it enters into that cell and it acts as an inducer. This inducer, it inactivates this repressor protein. That's why the repressor protein, it gets inactivated, and this due to that inactive repressor protein, it do not blocks the operator. The operator is not blocked. The signal is given, that is yes, the messenger RNA can be synthesized. Here the messenger RNA is synthesized by that Y gene as well as the A gene of the structural gene. The messenger RNA is synthesized from that Z gene. The beta galactosidase enzyme is synthesized from that Y gene. Permease enzyme is synthesized and trans-acetyl-CoA enzyme is synthesized by that A gene. As like this here, the enzymes are synthesized for the digestion of lactic acid. because the Escherichia coli is kept here in the medium which contains the lactic acid, and these enzymes are necessary for the digestion of lactic acid. That's why here the enzymes are synthesized. Enzymes are synthesized in this second case. What happens in the first case? In the first case, this Escherichia coli is kept in a sucrose media. There is no necessity for the synthesis of enzymes for the digestion of lactic acid, because the medium in which the Escherichia coli is kept, the lactic acid is not present in that medium. That's why there is no necessity of enzyme secretion. That's why here the enzyme secretion is prevented at the level of RNA. RNA is not synthesized here. RNA is not synthesized. That means at the level of transcriptional level, or at a transcriptional level, the enzyme synthesis is blocked, or the enzyme synthesis is stopped. Okay? That means whenever it is present in a Escherichia or the E. coli, they kept in a sucrose media. There is no necessity of the synthesis of enzyme synthesis. That's why here the operator, or sorry, the repressor protein, it blocks the operator. But what happens in the second case? Look at here. What happens in that second case? Escherichia coli is kept in a lactic acid, the medium which contains the lactic acid, and for the digestion of lactic acid, these enzymes are necessary. So whenever there is a necessity of that enzyme, this repressor protein, it gets inactivated, and the inactivation, this process, it takes place by the inducer. The inducer which is present in that lactic acid, that is the permease enzyme, it enters into that cell and it acts as an inducer. That's why with the help of that inducer, the repressor protein, it gets blocked instead of that operator. It gets inactivated, and due to that inactivation, the operator is not blocked and the enzymes are ready to synthesize with the help of messenger RNA. Do you get my point? That means the operon means the cluster of genes. These are the genes A, Y, Z. These are the genes which synthesize the different enzymes for the digestion of lactic acid. Which are the three enzymes for the digestion of lactic acid? Trans-acetyl coenzyme, permease enzyme, and beta-galactosidase enzyme. These three enzymes are necessary for the digestion of lactic acid, and they are synthesized with the help of genes, which are the genes A, Y, Z. These are the genes. With the help of A, Y, Z genes, the enzymes are synthesized. The genes are called the structural gene. So the cluster of genes. There are the many genes. Which genes are present? A, Y, Z genes are present, and it is a cluster. Cluster of genes is called the operon, which are related to the same function. Which one is the function? Yes, which one is the function? The function is to digest the lactic acid. And here the operator it is blocked by the repressor protein or not blocked by that repressor protein. Okay? So at the two level, there are the two stages. At the first stage, when the Escherichia coli is kept in the sucrose, the enzymes are not necessary. That's why the operator is blocked, and the operator is blocked. Here the operator is blocked and the enzymes are not synthesized. In second case, what happens? The enzymes are necessary. That's why the operator is not blocked. Messenger RNA is synthesized and the enzymes are synthesized.